insights from our experience working with enterprises and large companies, specifically in building their AI strategies.
Workshop on AI is amazing. We do a lot of work with AI, specifically with hacking. We do automated penetration tests on businesses, and we do a lot of cold email outreach using ChatGPT and a lot of other tools. So I found this, I like learning from other business owners and AI users just to see how they're using the tools out there and see if there's a potential chance of collaboration in the future.
Yeah, this was a very good session. Greatly explained all the scenarios and all aspects of AI and strategy to be used by Kushal and team, and I wish them all the best. Hopefully we would be working with them soon too. So yeah, all the best again. Thank you.
I'm a digital designer from South Korea. As participant of AI and Web3 Festival, I would love to know about AI. So it was really great time for attending this event.
I attended this event here by Proximity Work. The presentation was excellent. I got some deep domain insights about the AI strategy adoption. And if any of y'all are here looking out and seeking for opportunities in your business or in your organizations who are interested to adopt AI, then I think this is a place to be.
This was an amazing workshop by Proximity Tech. We are in the early phases of developing an AI product. It cleared a lot of our doubts, raised a lot of new questions that we would love to explore more. Overall, a great experience.